Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about the wood and wood products. So what is the wood? वुड बेसिकली एक पोरस और फाइब्रस टिश्यू होता है जो ट्रीज और वुडी प्लांट्स के स्टेम्स और रूट्स में पाया जाता है और इसको फ्यूल और कंस्ट्रक्शनल पर्पसेस के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. बेसिकली इट्स एन ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल और ये कंप्रेशन की तरफ रेजिस्टेंस शो करता है, यानी इसको कंप्रेस नहीं किया जा सकता. इसके अलावा इट इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इन द टेंशन. इसकी ये स्ट्रेंथ और कंप्रेशन रेजिस्टेंस जो होती है वो सेलुलोज फाइबर्स और लिग्नेंट्स की वजह से होती है. Basically, wood is classified into the natural and engineered wood. Firstly, the natural wood. Why do we generally use wood? We use wood for fuel, for flooring, to make furnitures, to make utensils, musical instruments, and sports equipment. Wood processing consists of about 7 stages. Stage 1 is the tree felling, in which the trees are cut down by using some machinery. Storage is the second stage, in which the timber is stored for transport, and in third stage it is transported to the sawmill, and after its transportation to sawmill it is broken down and rough sawing is done in the sawmill. Stage 5 consists of the seasoning, which is the process of drying of wood before making any product. यानी इस स्टेप पे आके वुड के अंदर जो मौजूद नमी होती है उसको ख़त्म किया जाता है. इसको कुछ अरसे के लिए हवा में ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया जाता है या फिर कुछ दूसरे तरीक़ेकार इस्तेमाल करके इसकी सीजनिंग कर दी जाती है, यानी कंप्लीट ड्राई हो जाती है बिफोर मेकिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स. सो next stage is its resawing to keep it in an accurate size which would be used to make some specific products. हर प्रोडक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग इसको दोबारा से जो है उसकी रीसॉइंग कर ली जाती है. उसके बाद लास्ट स्टेज होती है प्रोडक्ट्स की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. एंड इफ़ वी क्लासीफाई द नेचुरल वुड, there are two classes, hardwood and softwood. Hardwood is the wood which we obtain from the dicot angiospermic trees, and this term may also be used for the trees from which the wood is derived. These are usually broad-leaved. And hardwood के नाम का मतलब जस्ट ये नहीं है कि ये सॉफ्टवुड से हार्ड होगी, बल्कि इसकी कुछ ऐसे करेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं विच मेक दम डिफ्रेंशिएट फ्रॉम द सॉफ्ट वुड. इसका जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है इट इज़ मोर कम्प्लेक्स एज कम्पेयर टू द सॉफ्ट वुड. इट इज़ डार्कर इन कलर, इट इज़ मोर एक्सपेंसिव, इट्स ग्रोथ रेट इज़ वेरी स्लोअर, it has high density, it is heavy in weight, it is more fire resistant as compared to the softwood, and it is more strong in compression and tension. First example of the hardwood is oak, जिसे हम उर्दू में शापलोत कहते हैं. It is Quercus alba in botany, and we can make different things from it as shown in this picture, and we can also make the slipper and landscaping timber, the garden bed kits, flooring, and firewood. Another example of the hardwood is the maple, and maple tree is called Acer laurinum in botany, and there are a lot of products which we can make from the maple. And mahogany is the tree which we can say that it is evergreen tree, सदाबहार दरख्त होता है ये, and it is used to make expensive furniture and tissue boxes and many other products, and its botanical name is Swietenia mahogany. Cherry tree is also used as hardwood, and it is used to make kitchen utensils, especially chopping boards, clipboards, and it is also used to make benches. Another example is the rubber wood, which we obtain from the rubber tree. Hevea brasiliensis is its botanical name, and it is also used to make a lot of utensils and other furniture. If we look at the softwood, it is the wood which we obtain from the gymnospermic trees such as conifers. It is the source of about 80% of the world's production of timber, and इसके नाम का मतलब ये नहीं है कि ये हार्डवुड से सॉफ्ट होगी, बल्कि मैकेनिकली कुछ जो ट्रीज़ हैं जैसा कि पाइन है या यू ट्री वगैरह हैं, उनकी वुड जो है वो मैकेनिकली हार्डवुड की वुड की निस्बत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है. If we look at the characteristics of the softwood, it is more cheap as compared to the hardwood. Its rate of growth is faster, it has low density, it is much softer than hardwood, यानी इसको चीरना जो है वो आसान होता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू द हार्डवुड, और हार्डवुड की निस्बत ये जल्दी आग पकड़ लेती है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो द लाइटर इन वेट एंड लाइटर इन कलर. Here are some examples of the softwood. Firstly, the ash. Ash tree is called Fraxinus in botany, and we can use it to make different things like furniture or hangers. It is also used to make hearths, cabinets, and many utensils. Another example of the softwood is pine, which is Pinus roxburghi in botany, and we say cheed it in Urdu. चीड़ की लकड़ी भी बहुत सारे फर्नीचर मेकिंग और हाउस कंस्ट्रक्शन वगैरह में भी इस्तेमाल होती है. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज सीडर. सिड्रस देओदरा, देवदार इसको उर्दू में कहते हैं हम. एंड अनदर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल ऑफ द सॉफ्टवुड इज रेडवुड. रेडवुड इज obtained from the sequoia species, and it is very best quality wood which comes from the hardwood, which is resistant to deterioration due to the sunlight, moisture, and insect, and they are rare and valuable. And it is called redwood because the stem obtained from this tree is reddish in color, and we use it to make roofs and walls, and also it is used to make furniture and many musical instruments. Engineered wood is basically the man-made wood, or it is also called the composite wood or manufactured wood. It includes a range of derivative wood products which are manufactured by binding or fixing the stands, particles, fibers or veneers or boards of wood together with adhesives or other methods of fixation to form the composite material. This sort of wood is used to make products which are used in a variety of applications, from home construction to commercial buildings and to industrial products. These three are the basic examples of the engineered wood, which is plywood, blockboard, and veneers. Veneers are the thin sheets or thin layers of wood. Thank you.